God tells me to say I should pray for your healing because your health is not okay.
It's not okay, Papa.
I'm seeing debts everywhere
It's everywhere,
around you.
Papa. It's everywhere.
Right now you are owing a lot of people.
Sure,
And you
Papa.
don't even have money to pay them.
I don't know what
You don't
to
even
do.
know how you are going to pay them.
I don't know.
The Lord says all you need for your life to be okay is a miracle.
Yes.
Can I surprise you?
Sure.
You started losing things. There was even a house that I saw you sold. You had properties. You started selling. Right now, you are even selling a radio and a TV. You are selling even little properties in the house. You
Yes.
sold everything.
It's everything, Papa.
God says He wants to restore you. Can I prophesy? That guy Samuel was born on 21st November, somewhere there. 21st November.
You are right.
His mother and his father, when they got married, they stayed for 6 years without a child.
Oh, yes.
They stayed
It's
for
true.
6 years without a child.
They were in coma.
Listen,
They were in
and,
coma.
and when the mother conceived, went to the hospital, and she delivered. And when she delivered, that boy was weighing 4.5
Yes.
the day he was born. And when he was born, there were some whites that were moving in the hospitals to give gifts to children. And there was a woman by the name of Kaylin who went to the mother and gave her a present. And when that woman gave the mother the present, the mother of Samuel narrated the story to this white lady. The name of the lady was called Kaylin or Kelina something. And when the mother narrated the story, the white lady then says, you should name this boy Samuel because he's a miracle child.